Hey everyone, this is Todd with Gravitate Online. Hope you're doing well. Today I wanted to show you Yahoo's new Search Direct feature. Now, as many of you in the know will realize, Yahoo back in November launched their Search Assist to compete with Google's Instant. Well, now they've expanded their Search Assist and they've changed it into Search Direct. And I wanted to show you how that product compares with Google Instant as these two are competing for features. So let's just jump in here and do a quick example, because one thing that you'll notice back with the launch in November for Yahoo Search Assist, it was really just for sports figures, trending topics, and things like that. Yahoo's now tried to expand it, make it a lot more robust, and I'll kind of show you what I mean here. But let's show you what you get when you just click on the search box. It automatically shows you trending searches, and I like here on the left how they have what the trending searches are, and then as you hover over each, it actually gives you the first few results into that. But let's say I'm watching the NCAA tournament, and I watched Florida beat BYU last night, and I want to check out Jimmer. So I type in Jimmer, and it shows me, as you can see, a whole bunch of the most common search terms here, but instantly it brings up Jimmer on Wikipedia, BYU's website, ESPN, kind of the things I would expect if I did a full search just for Jimmer. That's what I see here. I like how that displays so quickly. They're really competing with Google on their instant. They bring up these results really quickly. But let's say I want to expand this a little bit into Jimmer, MBA, and then I'm going to actually hit enter. And I want to show you what the actual display looks like, the actual search results page. So I come in here and hit Jimmer. Again, it brings up the same drop down menu here with all of my options, but the actual search results page is not changing at all. And so I kind of wanted to show you how that works. But let's say I want to go back to my main search bar, and I'm actually coming in here to shop. And just on this same, NCAA theme here, I'm looking for basketball shoes, and I should probably spell it right. And this is something that's kind of cool with Yahoo Search Direct, is it's actually bringing up shoes right here before I press enter, before I do anything. That's what it brings up, and that's kind of cool. And then of course it brings up many of the most popular basketball shoes. But let's say I want to check out in here. I come into the Libya search, and I see, I want to get some updates on the what's going on in Libya, and it brings up the Libya War 2011 as the most, a really common search, and it brings in here some analysis from MSNBC and some other news sources. So they've done a good job with not only celebrity sports figures and shopping and news and things like that, but they've really tried to expand it as well into just everyday search terms. So let's say I'm looking for link building, techniques or anything like that. Then here we go. Here's some, you've got your SEO book, Wikipedia, and linkbuildinglondon.com. So they've really tried to expand that. Let's just do a quick comparison over here to Google Instant and see if I kind of do some of the same things, what I'm going to get. And you're going to see a big difference here. As soon as I type in Jimmer, boom, it clicks into my search results page. And it took just a second, but now you see some of the related searches, MBA, girlfriend stats, and Wikipedia is what you see up here. You see some news streaming in here, but just a different approach where they bring in their suggestions here, but then the results actually change as I type. So that's kind of interesting. But let's just do another product search here. Oh, I kind of like that. When I typed in basketball, it brings up the NBA scores from last night, and then what's going on tonight, what's on the docket there. That's kind of nice. But let's say I want to type in basketball shoes. It's not actually bringing up any product here. But let's say if I add a few other terms, there we go. Now we see some product. But I had to get pretty long tail there. Let's try the Libya. Libya news. I'm just going to type in Libya. It brings up Wikipedia. It brings in some news. If I scroll down a little bit, I see some video. And some imagery. So just a different approach. As I look at this Yahoo search, it really looks like, especially when I get into the products, that they're really trying to compete a little bit more with Bing's tagline, where they're really trying to become more of a decision engine. So if I want to travel, let's say, I want to travel to Italy, and I want to check out flights, then boom, they're bringing up cheap flights and cheap Italy flights and airlines and stuff. So just trying to compete with the Google instant search, but it looks like they're also both trying to become a little bit more of a decision engine, to where you find your information more quickly and you save a few seconds. I want to see what you think. Does this new Yahoo feature at all compare to Google Instant, or are these guys all missing the boat altogether and they're going after things that we don't really care about? So anyway, that's it for today. If you have any questions, just give us a holler over here. Gravitate. Thanks.